Hi everyone, I'm English teacher Josh. Welcome to my channel. Are you ready to learn a lot of English vocabulary and expressions today? If so, I've been posting a lot of English shorts on my channels. I've combined some of these shorts into a longer video for you that's easy to follow. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and follow my channel. Alright, let's get started. Sick as a dog. Sick as a dog is when you don't feel well. A person who is sick as a dog shows extreme illness. They may have a fever, body aches, or a cough. Example, he did not go to work because he was sick as a dog. Cat got your tongue. Cat got your tongue is someone not able to speak because of something that happened. It could be because they are embarrassed to say something or they're just surprised. Example, the cat got his tongue when he found out they were having a baby. Quiet as a mouse. Quiet as a mouse means not able to hear a sound. When it's quiet as a mouse, there is no noise at all. Example, it was quiet as a mouse in the empty house. Memory like an elephant. Memory like an elephant is a person with a great memory. They can remember details or information extremely well. Example, my friend had a memory like an elephant and never forgot people's birthdays. Back on the horse. Back on the horse means to give it another try or start again. A person who has failed the first time may get back on the horse to try a second time. Example, after losing the race, he got back on the horse to try next time. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on learning English, and let me know in the comments below what vocabulary or expression you liked best. I'll see you in my next video.